All right, so what we're going to study here today, we're going to be talking about finding the derivative of an inverse at the point, and we're not going to be given the inverse, we're just going to be given the function. So the one nice thing about what we've already learned about the inverse, the derivative of an inverse of a function, is that we don't actually have to express the inverse of the function explicitly. All we need to do is take the derivative of the original function, and then we just need to find the inverse sort of value here, f of y. So I've written this as f of y instead of f to the negative 1 of x. I like viewing it this way a little bit. So anyway, so this point is on the on f to the negative 1 of x, or f of y. Okay. So first thing we need to do is to find the derivative. So 3x squared plus 7 is the derivative. Okay. And then we're going to use that derivative right here, see? Here it is right here. And inside we're going to put f of y, so we just need to figure out what f of y is. So again, in order to find the derivative of the inverse, that's what we're finding, we need to find the derivative of the original function, that's what this is. And then we need to plug f of y in. Okay? So because this is on f to the negative 1 of x already, f of y, this is actually the y value of the original function. So if this is y, and this is f of y. Does that make sense? Or let's say this is x and f of x. So this is y and f of y. Yeah, on the inverse. So our f of y here, you see this right here, is actually this right here. Second value there. So this is going to be 1 over the derivative evaluated at 1. Is 1/10. Okay? So given a function, and given the point on the inverse function that we want to find the derivative for, this is how we do it. You don't have to find the expression of the inverse. You just have to find the derivative of the original function. Plug it in here. So derivative of the original function, and then if you're given a point, that's important. You got to be given the point where you want to find this thing, so you can use that, and then just fill it in. 1 over the derivative evaluated at the y value of this point here. There you go. Easy as pie. Okay, so why don't you guys try this one? Try B. Just take a few moments and see if you can get that one. I'll show you the answer in a bit. Alright, so you can check your work with this here. So I wrote it a little more traditionally here with the negative 1. And if this is a point on the inverse graph, then f to the negative 1 of x here would be this number 1 here, right? Same as f of y. So y, f of y, or f of x, f to the negative 1 of x. Does that make sense? So 1 over 21 is what you should have got. Alright? Alright, I hope you're getting it.